This is not good.
Why don't you push me?
So someone didn't eat their pork this
Here
morning.
we go. We're going to the palace now.
To the Independence Palace.
Independence Palace.
It's there in the distance. Mom wants the golden throne there. I'm going to rent a bicycle
Let's do it.
next week.
No, I said let's do it.
So we're walking through a park now with a lot of like commemorative or some kind of statues.
That's the mother and child.
Well, you can see it's the mother.
The mama sheep with the baby sheep.
I don't know what it is.
So we bought our tickets and we bought it for an informative ride around the Independence Palace.
On your right side now is Lays One Boulevard, the main city street leading to the palace. On April 30th, 1975, units of the People's Army of Vietnam attacked the palace. Tank number 843, commanded by Lieutenant Bui Guan Thun, crashed into the main gate and knocked it down. Tank number 390, commanded by Lieutenant Wu Dong Guan, was the first to enter the palace grounds. These are replicas of the first tanks to reach the palace. In front of you is a South Vietnamese F-5E fighter jet. This jet was used by pilot Nguyen Thanh Trung to bomb Independence Palace on April 8, 1975, just 3 weeks before the end of the war. You can see how the architect used carved dragon heads to provide visual connections between the windows on adjacent floors. Note also the use of a bamboo-shaped facade along the second floor of the building, designed to allow light and air to pass through to the second floor hallway.
The Independence Palace is one of the most important historical landmarks in Ho Chi Minh City. It's famous because this was the place where the fall of Saigon took place, the moment that effectively ended the Vietnam War. This site has been the center of the political power for more than 150 years. In the French colonial period, the original building was called the Norodom Palace, which was constructed in 1868, and it served as the residence for the French governors. After the French left, the building became the presidential palace of the South. Where are you going? To the toilet. In 1962, the building was bombed by 2 South Vietnamese pilots who attempted a coup. The building was badly damaged. The president ordered it to be demolished and replaced with a modern structure as it stands today. So the current palace was designed by a Vietnamese architect. It was constructed in 1962, completed in 1966. On the 30th of April 1975, the North Vietnamese forces entered Saigon and a tank crashed through the palace gates. Shortly afterwards, the South Vietnamese president surrendered and it marked the end of the Vietnam War. You must shout at the people down there. You're tired, Mom, you want to lie down?
I will like it. I
Hmm?
like it a lot.
You like it? So this is a massive 2-bedroom house. This is not good. These are 3 feet apart. Another bedroom. You lie down. If you take one of these robes and you can sit on that chair and sleep. I challenge you to go and dance on the stage.
There's no entry yet, they will.
There's a helicopter outside here. I think they were just playing games here.
Perhaps this is the playing room.
With a rocking chair. I suspect this is where the inner circle met.
It was like a movie theater. Interesting. This guy did the sound. These were the old projectors with a system to keep them cool. There's another one. That one rewinds the reels again. That one. Do you think this is where the band was? With, what's the entertainment area with the bars there? I'm sure that was the place. And there's your transport. In the wartime long ago, they had radio communication, but it was long ago. These are the radio towers. On one of the antennas you will see the pigeon that they used to send the message with. So I'm sitting a little bit here on the staircase because I'm too tired to stand up. Mom, why did you push me?
No, I was actually helping you.
This shoes and this stairs are not working. So someone didn't eat their pork this morning.
So someone is hungry now. I'm exhausted.
We're having a juice now. Mom's gonna juice now.
A berry. Now this is a pineapple. It's really delicious.
I've got a sugarcane juice. We booked a Grab, Mom, 8 minutes away. So we'll just sit here.
I believe it's 7 minutes from now.
8 minutes. It stays 8 minutes. The traffic is very, very hectic. It's hot outside. It's gonna rain soon. I'm sure of it. So we're in a Grab at the moment on our way to P-City. That was the end of our day. Did you like the Independence
Yes,
Palace?
it was very interesting. It was super, super cool. I liked it a
Was,
lot.
yeah. A lot of history in this town. Let's go up now.